Today in this video we will learn about how to run websites through Redserverhost while keeping GoDaddy name servers. If you want to run your domain name from the name servers of GoDaddy, whereas you would like to point a record towards Redserverhost, that means you will use the name servers of GoDaddy and simply point your website towards Redserverhost. For that, log into GoDaddy panel and then go to Manage DNS section. Now here, you just need to change the name servers to default. Now select the option of I will use GoDaddy name servers that is recommended. And now again go to Manage DNS option. Now here you will find several records, that is DNS zones. You just need to edit a record and just enter the IP address of Redserverhost here. You will find the a record IP address of Redserverhost in your welcome email. Now you can see that a record is updated successfully.